Greetings from Shanghai. I am Shravan Chunduri, Head of Technology at TaiyangNews, and we are at SNEC 2024, the largest solar show in the world, which is being held currently at Shanghai. We are at the booth of Trina Solar, and we found here an interesting product, which is colored glass.
Hello everyone, I'm Max from Trina Solar Evergreen. We are a new department for Trina Solar, and this is our new product, the colored photovoltaic glass. So the size and the color of the glass is all customized as you want from the architecture. And the efficiency of the product is about 17 to 18%. And it will take about 150 watts per square meter. And the weight of the product is about 32 kilogram per square meter.
Okay, that's very nice. So when the product will be available commercially?
Right now it's under the pre-launch phase. So it will be officially released on September.
Thank you. Okay, we are at the Trina's booth looking at their battery solution for C&I application. Can you please tell us the important features of this product and also its status of the commercialization? What are the most important markets you are going to address with this product?
Thanks for asking. Firstly, it is called as Protection 2 Trina BS system, and it is loaded with Trina 340 amp-hour Trina cell. The whole capacity for there is 261 kilowatt-hour. The load here is about 125 kilowatt. And the major market there is for the Chinese mainland, but we are also looking for the opportunities to expand it to the Europe, APAC, North America.